Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Zacconni espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a ton of work, starting by replacing all the gaskets that you see right here, from the group head gasket, the boiler gasket, and many other ones as well, including the side glass and some other parts. We also had to replace the pressure stat, this one that you see right here, as it was having problems with the heating, and we also had to replace the pressure stat pipe. As you can see, one was damaged and needed to be replaced. So yeah, that's all what we did in this espresso machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Unfortunately, I did not pick up the right grind settings of this machine, and I will have to use 2 pumps instead of 1. There you go, good extraction coming out of the machine. Excellent cream on the top, working great. Steamer for this machine, as you can hear and see, nice pressure coming out of the boiler, working excellent, working great, and of course the machine is pressurized and ready to be used. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee, and subscribe to our channel.